In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Bank of America card to Samsung Pay using the mobile app. By the end, your card will be ready to tap and pay with your Samsung device, and I'll walk you through exactly what to expect along the way. Before we begin, make sure your Bank of America app and Samsung Pay are updated to the latest versions and that you're signed in to your bank app. Having notifications and text messages enabled can also help, since you may be asked to verify your card during the process. Start by opening the Bank of America mobile app on your phone. Once you're in, head to the area where your accounts are listed and locate the card you want to use. You can add either a credit card or a debit card. Just choose the specific card you plan to use for Samsung Pay. If you have multiple cards, take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one so you don't have to backtrack later. On the card's details screen, scroll down until you see an option labeled Digital Wallet Management. This is the section that connects your card to mobile wallets. You might also see references to other wallets there, but we'll focus on Samsung Pay. Tap the option that says Set up Samsung Pay. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. The app may switch you over to Samsung Pay to complete setup. You'll likely be asked to review and accept terms, confirm some card information, and choose a verification method. Many people receive a one-time passcode by text or email. If you do, enter it when prompted. If your phone asks for permissions, like allowing Samsung Pay to be your default tap-to-pay wallet, go ahead and allow those so payments work smoothly at checkout. Once you've completed the prompts, you should see a confirmation that your card has been added and is ready for use in Samsung Pay. That means you can open Samsung Pay when you're at a contactless terminal, authenticate with your phone's unlock method, and hold your device near the reader to pay. If you use multiple cards in Samsung Pay, you can set this card as your default within the Samsung Pay settings for quicker checkout. If you don't see Digital Wallet Management or the Samsung Pay option in your bank app, try updating the app or checking back later, as availability can vary by region and device. Keep your phone secured with a strong screen lock, and you'll be all set to tap, pay, and go.